In this video tutorial, you will learn how to upload a catalog file. When we click on the Add Catalog option from the Add Catalog menu in the Data menu, the file we want to upload is selected from the window that appears. After the catalog file is loaded, the layers in the catalog file are listed on the Layers page in the panel displayed. There is an activation button next to each layer. The buttons next to the layers to be loaded on the map are activated. Then the layers are added to the map with the Save button. The layers added are listed in the layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.